man, I love surprises.
I don't know if Friezo can handle that bike.
SOBs, check me out!
Friezo!
Happy Egg Fest, Saul! I brought you a little something.
Hey, Dougie!
Woo! Sam, you gonna wear that for the Egg Fest parade?
I've got my own saw head, Doug. This one's for you.
It is?
You're gonna hand out my special egg dip pepperettes while I drive the float. Let's do this. Bitch, are you for real?
Crazy.
Enjoy my meat, buds. I call it the gentle art of butchery in parade float format.
Yeah? I think it just needs one final touch. That's better.
My float!
Sam, Rick, what the hell are you doing?
Making a stage. It's a rock float now, not science class, huh?
I made that for the kids!
Yeah, and where there's kids, there's moms. Now can we please go?
Unless Doug's wearing the saw head and handed out my eggerettes, I ain't pulling the float!
Yeah, well, tough shit. He's gonna be busy handing out my demos and wearing this.
Woo!
Saw head!
Ricky head.
Nuh-uh!
Yeah.
Stop! Wish you were my brother!
It's the Sons of Butcher! You guys are really cool.
Who the hell are you?
I'm your biggest fan.
Hey, we gotta settle something. Try one of my special Eggfest eggerettes.
It has such deliciousness.
So you like the taste of bacon and egg farts?
The tongue of the public has spoken, Rickens.
Oh yeah? Hey, foreign kid, check this. Sons of butcher, 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 butcher. That was right off the top of my head.
Ricky, you make the biggest rock.
So you like the sound of bacon and egg farts?
The ear of the public has listened, Saul.
Okay. Public's no help at all!
Maybe I can find a way to make everyone happy.
Doug, you got 10 seconds before I forget Eggfest and get on with my life!
With equal props to the beef and the rock, here be the official Sons of Butcher mascot.
Yeah, great idea, Doug. The face of Saab is the ugly janitor. That nose ain't even to scale.
I tried my best, yo.
Well, your best has failed us horribly, like usual. Parade's off!
But the fan of SOB, they need it. They wait all year for your float. I love you, Saul and Ricky.
Who is this annoying foreign kid?
I'm Friezo. I gotta go. I'll see you at the parade. Bye-bye.
That bike sucks.
What do you think about two heads?
They're better than one?
They're better than yours! Put the damn egghead on!
But I can't see with it!
Egg!
Saul, let's get this rock float rolling!
Don't talk at me right now! Getting in the mental zone!
Yeah, well, I need to get in the erogenous zone, so let's go!
I'm coming for you, Eggman!
Saul, come on, we're losing ground! Go! Ah!
Why is this so fucking hard?
Hey, look at that! SOB! Saul?
Reagan!
You suck ass!
Hey!
Don't you egg me! I am fucking rock royalty! Don't you egg me! I will egg your whole family! And steal their booze!
Hey, thanks for cleaning up Doug's mess, Friezo. He really dropped the ball back there.
At least I'm still in one piece.